Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Ask the Gov. Our first question comes from Jenna via email. Jenna asks, can Cadence Law be applied nationwide? Cadence Law is a law that we passed in Iowa this year after we had a tragic accident where a young child was killed while crossing the road from a school bus. And I think a similar law has been passed in the state of Mississippi. I understand there has been legislation introduced at the national level as well. And this is something that, although it's really something that probably could best be handled state by state, there might be a possibility of doing this on a national level. And I understand that a number of members of the Iowa congressional delegation are working on it. Our second question comes from William via Facebook. William says, did you repeal Vilsacks' order on felony rights to vote? Yes, I did. Governor Vilsacks made it automatic that felons would automatically get their right to vote back. I believe this needs to be earned by paying back their debt to society, including not only completing their sentence, but also paying the fine, paying any court costs, and restitution to victims. Once this has been shown to be done, then I believe the voting rights should be restored. And we have a process in place now where people that have completed their term can apply to get their rights restored, but we want them to show that they have paid their fine, court costs, and that they are current on making their restitution. A third question comes from Cody via Facebook. And Cody asks, who is going to win the Iowa State football game? There's no way that I can predict that. I mean, that's usually a hard-fought game, and we always want to see a really good contest, and it's wonderful to have Iowa and Iowa State play each year. So I'm not going to try to predict the winner, but I hope we have another great game. Our fourth question comes from Sandy via Facebook. Sandy asks, why not give local control to hog confinements? The Iowa DNR has the expertise and the responsibility to ensure that people that build hog confinements have a manure management plan to see that the manure is going to be handled correctly, and they have the expertise and the ability to do this. I don't think local governments really are in the best position to do that, and I think having a uniform statewide law designed to protect the health and well-being of our citizens and prevent manure spills and things like that makes more sense. Thank you.